Guys, what's up? So as you all saw that we are still busy here at the mansion. This is what's happening now. Anamaini na helping with the dishes. Anamaini, thank you so much for your support. I came to thank you in front of my fans.
Okay,
thank you so much for the support, guys. I so much thank my sisters for the support they're giving me. This is my younger sister. That's my niece, my brother's daughter. If it wasn't for their support, it couldn't have been easy. Imagine all these men who are working here and all the things that are happening here. Yeah, they are doing men's work, but for them to eat, for them to feed, it's also because of my younger sisters, guys. You see, they are also working here. I would like to say, Menin, thank you.
You're welcome.
Menin, thank you. So we ended up getting people to fill our containers because we tried to fill that one yesterday. We went to fetch 2 times and it was still not full. So we noticed, maybe it was not for us. So guys, we are cooking derere for supper. Bam Nini and Sekuru went out with the guy who helped us to fetch that sand there. That sand and stones. So now they went to fetch river sand. Oh, they went to fetch pit. Oh, they brought river sand. So now they went to fetch pit sand. It's meaning they're correcting me. So we are going to cook this derere. Guys, we are going to cook this derere. These are the tomatoes I bought from, what do you call it, from Kwamakoni yesterday. This one is broken. They broke because of the pressure in the combi. So this, we are going to cook derere. So we are going to cook this derere together, guys. We are going to cook this derere together. I don't know if there is too much gas here. I'm not sure if we still have enough gas here. Let me put my camera down so that you guys can see what is happening. Okay, so that you guys can see what is happening. So now I like to put water first before I light the gas. So I'm putting water for derere. I don't have special measurements that I use. I just measure with my eyes. This derere is for 5 people. Me, and I might need 2, and Sekuru. So it's for 5 people. Let me add water just a little bit more. Yeah, this should be enough. So this is the small combo pot that I bought for $11 yesterday in town. So now we are lighting the gas. Oh. It's very tight. Try again. Oh yes. So we are starting to cook derere. I also bought a small soda in Bari. Yeah, I'll check it. It must be down there in the containers. So this is the derere that we're going to cook. These are the tomatoes that I'm going to use. Yeah, that is all for now. Let me look for caps so that I can close this thing here. So that I can close this derere and tomatoes. And then I'll show you guys as soon as the water starts boiling, isn't it?